So let's close our service with an affirmative prayer. Join with me now and know something good and bold and dynamic for yourself. There is but one God, one mind, one power. That power is flowing through me. That power is me. That power is urging me on to release every fear, every doubt, and every worry. Those things are but shadows of the truth. Here, today, now, in this moment, I declare myself one with the love of God, the power of God, and the joy of God. I move out into my life confident, knowing that Spirit is with me, flowing through me, and flowing for me, lighting my path so that I can move out into the world, enjoying health and love, prosperity, laughter, enjoying my life. This is what Spirit has called me to do, and today I am stepping up to the very best of myself. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. All right, my dear friends, know this final truth with me. Your life isn't a problem to be solved. It's a miracle unfolding. Your job this week is to go name your miracle, to proclaim your miracle, and to make it your own. God bless us all. Now, let us go be the miracle God has called us to be. Until we see each other again, this is Reverend Ken. Many blessings. Okay, my dear friends, I need a favor from you today. And it's not anything that's going to cost you money, and it's really very simple and easy to do. And it might be the blessing that someone is looking for. I just need you to like, to comment, or to share this video. And it's so simple. All you have to do in the comment section is just thank you. It really helps us with the algorithms of the YouTube. It means we get seen by a lot more people. So post a comment. If you have a prayer request or a question, you can post that as well. I'll be sure to answer them. It will help us and it will help the world out greatly. Thank you. You are a blessing to us and to the world. And until we see each other again, God bless us all.